everyone. I know I haven't been checking in throughout the last flight from Tokyo to Manila. There's just a lot going on, and I definitely spent more money on the taxi from the airport to this hostel than I planned to, and that didn't make me so happy, so I didn't really want to blog about that. But now that I'm a little bit settled in, I was able to cancel my reservation for this place because I'm way farther out than I thought I would be, so I don't think I need to spend the whole week here. I think a day is fine. They were totally okay with it, so I'm just gonna stay here for a day. So I'm in Quezon City right now, and tomorrow we're gonna head somewhere else. I'm not sure yet, I'm trying to figure out where, but I think we should go somewhere else up until Friday when I have to get back to the airport. So I'm gonna see what we can do. But for today, I'm really excited to try this plant-based Filipino vegan food that's nearby, about 30-minute walk from here. So that's definitely happening, and I'll stay tuned for that. Bye. Hello everybody, this is my second day in Manila. I'm standing just outside of the hostel where I'm staying. I skipped over the whole getting ready thing this morning because I was just tired. I slept for the last 20 hours and I'm finally getting up, so my body is just getting used to moving again. So we're gonna take a little walk to the fruit market. The host said that there is a fruit market just down the street, so we're gonna go pick out some fruits, and then later we're gonna catch a bus. So I wanna make sure I have food with me. So let's go grab some fruit. Now I'm at the grocery store. I don't know if you can hear me, but the music is popping in here. It sounds amazing. I love it. Okay, we'll see. Grocery shopping. I'm trying to get some coffee. There's so many options, but they all have milk. So I'm gonna find some black coffee. Are always vegan, and there's so many dark and white chocolate flavors, vanilla delight, look in tiramisu. Okay, this tiramisu Oreos, not vegan, sadly. Okay. Grocery haul for today. I got this cool dark and white chocolate Oreos. I'm excited. Fresh fruit from the market. And I got jackfruit, tofu. Probably make some breaded tofu, corn, mushrooms, the pasta. We'll get fancy core bathroom. Doing a little flying on the bus, but we're in a van going to Tagaytay. We finally found the place. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. It is my first morning in Tagaytay. We reached here yesterday evening. As you can see, I'm wearing some really random getup. So what happened is that it's 8 in the morning and I was definitely sleeping and trying to. And they knocked this morning for breakfast. So now I gotta do breakfast. So I'll show you all what I'm having for breakfast. It's not... it's fun. It's gonna be great. Okay. Okay, so first off, the hotel where I'm staying has a complimentary breakfast, and I told them I'm vegan, and based on that, this is what they had available. So cucumber, tomato, lots of bread, plain bread, some bananas, and a water bottle. So fortunately for me, I did bring other things, so we're gonna be complementing these things with some other stuff. So I packed my own instant oatmeals, and luckily there's always has a kettle. So I'm gonna be making an oatmeal, probably add that banana, and then some coffee to go with it. So I'll probably be having all of this together as my breakfast. Okay, that's all. Hello everybody, we're back. So we are here at how do I even call this? We are in plant-based, vegan, yes, friend's home, new friend home. We have a new friend here in the Philippines. Their name is Casto. And Casto, what are your pronouns?
He.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay.
Gender fluid.
Okay. Yeah, me too. So it's like I can just use. Okay, so we're here at Casto's home. It's a beautiful space, as you can see, and we just finished up cooking. We made a beefsteak. Casto, would you mind just explaining what we made? Okay, here we are.
Hi.
Hello.
We made beefsteak Tagalog, which is like, well, we did a tofu version with onions, soy sauce, and some citrus. And then we also made a green mango salad.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. So I'm learning a lot. I never cooked with, or not even cooked, but made anything with green mango before. So this is the first time for me. And Casto's just heating up some stuff that he had pre-made before I got here. So we're gonna try all of that together. So I'll show you all of that in a second. Okay.
Okay, so this is the beefsteak Tagalog that we made. Tofu with soy sauce, citrus, and onions. This is the green mango salad we also made with red onion, tomatoes, and a fermented black bean dressing. This is called kangkong. It's a Filipino green. The translation in English is like swamp cabbage or water spinach.
Okay.
It doesn't translate very well at all, but I just did a simple saute in garlic. And like I said before, how the garlic, we like brown it a lot. I did that too. This is our jackfruit cooked in coconut milk. When you cook jackfruit, you have to like, fresh jackfruit at least, you have to boil it for a long time to soften it. So I did that first, and then I froze it just because I had a big batch of it. And then I cooked this one in coconut milk with onions and ginger. And this is like a rice pilaf that I make. It's made with 3 kinds of rice: black, red, and brown, and some purple sticky rice as well, and some mung beans to get a little bit more protein. As you know, as plant-based people, it's hard to get protein. So
the site said that your pilaf is famous.
oh yeah, okay, great.
All right, that's all of it. We're gonna eat now. Okay.